This is the Bristolian, another one of the Great Western Railways. We'll go down a length. She's a big train, guys. This one, beautiful colour combination. Look at the pinstriping. Look at the pinstriping here. You got your dark green coming on here to your black, eh? Basically, it's like your boiler black, isn't it? Then you got your brass. Really nice colour combinations on these big engines. Brass up here on your water tank. So the King George V. King George V. And this lady here is going to make us some morning tea. I'll have a green tea, thank you, ma'am. And look at here, you got all the cakes and biscuits and little cupcakes. They look realistic, don't they? Some sandwiches there. Tomato sandwich, maybe. It's a really excellent example. Oh, I beg your pardon, this is British Railways, this one now. There was a nationalisation of the railways in 1948, and we may have I might have missed that in picking that up. This is Oxford, where we are. Baggage handling. City of Truro. The city of Truro, sorry, the city of Truro. Oh, we've got to go over here to the right, guys. I've just noticed this. It says the Royal Carriage. Queen Victoria. Okay, good enough for Queen Victoria. It's good enough for you and I. Look at the padding on the door. This will be leather. Beautiful timber work. It's a bit dark in here actually, the lighting. Oh, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I think some of these fabrics actually are original. Oh, that one there is a Great Western Railways. Beautiful timber work and glass work too. Yeah, love the colour of it. Look at the colour combination. So this here, again, Great Western Railways. The combination of the red and the gold and the green really set these off. Here's the Bristolian buffet car. Oh, look at this! You might get inside. You see how it's got the seating there in the buffet. Oh, how well done! This one here is called the Churchwood Heavy Freight Locomotive. Beautiful copper pipe work, and I don't know if you can see up there the heating coil again for the engine driver. Fireman probably doesn't need too much warmth because he's going to be pretty hot anyway. Oh yeah, we can go inside the buffet car, so let's do that. Introduced in 1900, drinks and snacks. Oh, the kitchen was, oh okay, so they actually did the cooking on board as well, isn't that a great idea? Again, built in Swindon, where we are at the moment. Oh yes, this is excellent. Oh, you can imagine just sitting here, the train sort of rocking backwards and forth, and you're having your, your little snack there. Maybe some eggs, maybe fried egg, and maybe a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. Yeah. And this is all looks pretty much period as well. That's excellent. Yeah. Love these old carriages. Oh, look at this place over here, so they can set, glasses and things, I suppose. Oops, a bit dark here, sorry.
Not sure how they work that one out. Profiteer, I believe.
Yeah, the Swindon Railway Steam Museum is something to behold. It is really a beautiful presentation of trains and memorabilia of railways. Just excellent, really is excellent. Having a great time here today. We drove here from the farm in Sidford. Sidford is about 10 miles out of Banbury, and Banbury of course is well known for the Banbury Cross in the centre of the town of Banbury. A lot of people have heard of ride the cock horse to Banbury Cross. There you go, so you might want to do a little bit of reading on this, the facts of the city of Truro.